Hi everyone, welcome to this video and to my channel. Today I am unboxing the Sony 10-18 f4 lens. This is for the APS-C mount, E-mount cameras, and it is a stabilized lens. So it's a good combo, I think, to go with the A6400, hopefully. We'll try it out on the A66 today. Might turn off the image stabilization just to see if that makes a big difference. And let's have a look inside. What's on the box there? I don't think there's too much info. Just circular aperture, steady shot, and what else does it say? Lens hood included. We can have a look at that. All right, let's open up. What's in there? Lots of pamphlets. And what else have we got? Just the lens at the top, or what's happening here? Oh, peekaboo. There we go. Doing this, looking at the monitor. So hopefully, I'll pop that down. What else is in there? Nothing. Okay, so it's all in the one. Let's see what's here. Unravel this. Oh, it's really small. I'm so used to the big lenses on the full frames. These are so cute. Look at it, it's tiny. Oh. All right, here we are. Let me do a close-up. So, what's that? A bit of fluff. There we go. Here we go. There's the, I don't know if that's focusing. It's focusing on me, isn't it? Anyway, let's open up here. Nice. And the back. Not sure if that's weather sealed. It doesn't look like it, I don't think. Nope. And we've got the zoom from the 10-18. All right, let's put this lens hood on. Whoops, I haven't lined it up, have I? Red to red. Red to red. No, still no good. What have I done wrong? Whoa, that was tricky. High tech. Let's put this on, I was thinking, and I'll have a walk around with it. Maybe we'll do one walk with IBIS off on the camera, and then we'll do a walk with IBIS on. Actually, where do you turn this on? Oh, there must be a switch inside there where you turn it on and off. Or is it always? Maybe it's always on. I'm used to the other lenses where you get to choose whether your stabilizer is on or off. Interesting. Anyway, let's pop it on. We'll try out some walking and see like the width of it. And then I'll do some pictures at the end after I leave you so that you can see what images look like from it. So, see you in a minute. All right, the lens is on. What do you think? Different? Same? We're set at the same focal length, so 16 currently. Let's go to 18. So that's as tight as it gets. I'm sitting about an arm length from the camera, and then we'll go out wide. So 16 again, 14, 12, and 10. So that's as wide as it gets. A bit bright down there. That is actually the microphone. Look at my finger. That's crazy, crazy. I kind of like that. It's you know, you can do some good illusion sort of stuff with it, which is partly why I bought it, just to have a bit of fun. And let's now test the. So just thinking, it'd be really cool if you could see those measurements on screen as I change them, but I can't see anything up there, so I actually have to look at the lens to see where we're set at. But it would be good if you could see, as I change the focal length, see it on the screen. I wonder if that's available. It's probably a setting that I don't know about. Let me know in the comments if there is one. Let's take it for a walk and we'll see how it is with the image stabilization. Currently I've got image stabilization on in camera, and the lens, I think, I don't know if you can turn the lens off. I'm not sure. I couldn't find anything in the manual. So they're both on, let's just say. We'll go for a walk and see how shaky it is. So, what do you think? Are we shaky shakes? Or is this good? We'll do a turn and go back. And then I might just sit down and turn the steady shot off in the camera. So I'll see you in a sec. All right, so I've turned the steady shot off and we'll do the same walk. See if it's much shakier now or if that lens stabilization does the same job. Should be good, should be the same, I think. I don't know if those two double up. I don't think they do. So there we are. And I will just pop you back on the tripod. And I'm thinking I might take a couple of pictures and I'll see you out with those. But if you've got any questions or comments about the lens or anything else that you see in the video or want to know about, just let me know down below. And I try and answer every comment that comes in. Yeah, and if you've got any topics you want me to cover in the future, just let me know and I'll leave you with those photos. So see you soon. Bye.